The chilly December air nipped at Jungkook's face as he stepped out of Incheon International Airport, his heart racing with anticipation. The glow of the city lights outside reflected his excitement. It had been a month since he'd left Seoul to spend time with his grandparents in the USA. Though he missed Tae every single day, he had kept his visit a secret, planning to surprise him on his birthday. Kim Tae-hyung is a cardiologist at Seoul's top hospital, has been his boyfriend from 5 years. Their relationship was the envy of everyone who knew them, a perfect blend of Jungkook's bubbly and mischievous personality and Tae's calm and composed demeanor. Although their personalities were different, they balanced each other perfectly. Their families, who lived next door to each other, fully supported their relationship and were even planning their marriage after Jungkook's graduation. Jungkook had told Tae that he wouldn't be able to return before his birthday. He knew Tae felt a bit sad, but Tae, as always, didn't express it much. His quiet nature often left Jungkook guessing his thoughts, but Jungkook knew deep down that Tae understood him better than anyone else. Jungkook had planned to surprise him by arriving on the night of his birthday, but now, as he reached the arrival gate, his plans took an unexpected turn. Jungkook's best friend, Yeonjun, who also happened to be Tae's younger brother, was supposed to pick him up. But instead of Yeonjun, there he was, standing tall and stunning amidst the crowd, Kim Tae-hyung himself. Tae's sharp features were impossible to miss, his handsome face framed by perfectly styled dark hair. He wore a sleek black coat over his formal attire, exuding an air of sophistication that drew the attention of everyone around him. But he seemed unaffected. His gaze was fixed solely on Jungkook, his charming soft lips curving into the finest smile. Jungkook froze for a moment, his blue eyes widening in surprise, blinking in disbelief. His surprise had been spoiled. How did Tae know he was coming? Jungkook thought. The next second, excitement bubbled inside him, and without thinking twice, he ran toward Tae, his suitcase forgotten, his grin stretching from ear to ear. "Tae!" Jungkook exclaimed, his voice filled with disbelief and joy. As he stopped in front of Tae, slightly breathless, he looked up at his boyfriend, his lips forming a cute pout. "How did you know I was coming?" Jungkook demanded, his blue eyes wide with mock annoyance. "I didn't tell you." "Don't tell me it was Yeonjun who ruined my surprise." "Huh?" He pouted, his lips pushing out adorably as he stared up at Tae. Seeing Jungkook sulking cutely, Tae's lips curved into a small smile, a smile that made Jungkook's heart skip a beat. The way Tae looked at him, his gaze warm and gentle, spoke volumes. Tae reached out and gently tucked a strand of Jungkook's dark hair behind his ear. "Why are you smiling?" "I'm angry." "You're supposed to act surprised, not smile like that." Jungkook huffed, crossing his arms. Tae chuckled softly, his deep voice melting the irritation Jungkook was trying so hard to fake. Yeonjun didn't say anything. "I just knew," Tae finally answered in his deep, calm voice. Jungkook's pout deepened, though his cheeks turned pink. "You knew? What do you mean you knew? Are you a psychic now or something?" Tae didn't answer immediately. Instead, his gaze softened, and his hand lingered at Jungkook's cheek for a moment longer than necessary. "You always come back to me," Tae said simply, his voice low but filled with certainty. Jungkook's heart skipped a beat, but he wasn't ready to let his boyfriend off the hook so easily. Fine. But you're not supposed to ruin surprises." Tae's eyes sparkled with amusement as he observed Jungkook's sulking face. Jungkook, unable to hold back his thoughts any longer, looked around, his expression turning annoyed. Why are you smiling again? And don't just stand there looking so handsome. Do you see how people are staring at you from head to toe? I don't like it. Do you have to be this handsome all the time? It's annoying." Tae raised an eyebrow, his lips twitching as if holding back a laugh. "Should I apologize?" "Yes, you should." Jungkook shot back, grabbing Tae's hand and pulling him toward the car. "And why are you wearing formal clothes? Huh? You're not at the hospital now. You're just making it worse. Are you trying to make me jealous or something? I can't tolerate this. Let's get inside the car fast before you turn into a tourist attraction. And I start a fight with everyone staring at you." Jungkook opened the car door and practically shoved Tae into the car, muttering under his breath, "Aish, you're too attractive for your own good." Once Tae was seated, Jungkook quickly hopped into the car, closing the door behind him. He turned to Tae, his annoyance already fading as he took in his boyfriend's composed expression. "I'm still mad at you," Jungkook declared, though his tone was far from convincing. Tae reached over and clasped Jungkook's hand in his own, his thumb brushing against his knuckles. "Welcome home, Cookie," Tae murmured, his gaze warm. Jungkook melted instantly, his resolve crumbling. "Huh, you're lucky you're handsome," Jungkook muttered, his cheeks flaming. The entire car ride was filled with Jungkook's non-stop chatter, his voice bubbling with excitement as he animatedly talked about how much he had missed Tae and how he had spent his time in the USA. "Do you know how much I missed you? I literally counted the days, Tae. I even dreamt about you twice," Jungkook exclaimed, leaning closer to Tae, who was focused on driving but still had a small smile tugging at his lips. "And you won't believe it. Grandma made me eat so much food every single day. I feel like I've gained at least 2 kilos. But Grandpa was so cool. He told me stories about when he was young. He even said that you remind him of himself." Jungkook rambled, barely stopping to breathe. Tae's smile widened slightly as he glanced at Jungkook from the corner of his eye. He didn't interrupt, letting Jungkook talk freely, his voice filling the silence of the car like music. When they finally reached Tae's personal flat, Jungkook followed him into the lift, still pouting slightly. "Don't you miss me? Aren't you happy seeing me after 1 month? I'm quite disappointed at your response. I thought you would act differently after seeing me," Jungkook complained, crossing his arms as he stared at Tae with his big eyes. Tae stayed silent, his gaze soft but unreadable. His silence only made Jungkook pout more. As they stepped inside the flat and Tae locked the door behind them, Jungkook turned to say something else, but before he could get a word out, Tae suddenly pulled him into a tight hug. "Tae!" Jungkook squeaked, caught off guard as Tae buried his face in the crook of his neck, his arms wrapping securely around Jungkook's waist. Tae's deep voice sent shivers down Jungkook's spine as he murmured, "How did you think I'd act in a public place? I don't want anyone to see your flustered face. It belongs only to me. No one has right to see it. Do you understand?" Jungkook felt his cheeks heat up, but Tae wasn't finished. "And you're talking about missing you when you took my heart, soul, and mind with you." Tae did, his voice filled with pure deep emotion. Jungkook's breath hitched at Tae's words, his heart pounding in his chest. He quickly tried to change the subject, his cheeks flushing bright red. "I brought something special for you," Jungkook stammered, pulling back slightly to look at Tae. "I want you to wear it before your birthday starts. Grandpa and Grandma also sent gifts for you." Tae didn't respond immediately. His grip on Jungkook tightened slightly as he nuzzled his nose against Jungkook's neck, inhaling his familiar scent. Jungkook felt his knees weaken under Tae's intense gaze and actions, but before Tae could lose his self-control, his phone rang. The sudden sounds broke the moment, and Jungkook took the chance to escape, slipping out of Tae's hold and dashing toward the bedroom. "I'm going to get ready," Jungkook called out, disappearing into the room and locking the door behind him. Tae sighed, pulling his phone from his pocket to answer the call. It was from hospital, and although he tried to focus on the conversation, his mind kept wandering back to Jungkook. Meanwhile, Jungkook placed a neatly wrapped gift box on the couch in the living room before heading to the bedroom to change. After finishing the call, Tae walked over to the couch, his curiosity piqued by the box. Carefully unwrapping it, he found a pair of black jeans, a blue shirt, and a matching tie. A cute small note was tucked inside. The handwriting was undeniably Jungkook's. "I know you will look handsome in anything, but I want to see you wearing this on your birthday. So get ready fast, more surprises are waiting. Hurry up." A soft smile spread across Tae's face as he read the note. Without hesitation, he grabbed the clothes and headed to the guest room to change. His heart swelled with affection, eager to see what surprises Jungkook had planned for him next. After getting ready, Tae stepped out of the room and paused in his tracks as his gaze landed on Jungkook, who was waiting for him in the living room. Jungkook looked breathtakingly beautiful, dressed in a perfectly tailored outfit that highlighted his ethereal charm. His big eyes sparkled with excitement as he took in the sight of Tae. Tae, on the other hand, couldn't take his eyes off Jungkook. His heart raced as he noticed every detail: the soft glow of Jungkook's skin under the light, the way his cheeks held a faint blush, and how his lips curved into a bright, mesmerizing smile. Meanwhile, Jungkook's eyes lit up in awe, admiring how incredibly handsome Tae looked in the clothes he had chosen for him. The black jeans hugged Tae's long legs perfectly, the blue shirt accentuated his broad shoulders, and the matching tie added an elegant touch. The white glasses resting on his deep ocean eyes made him look even more attractive, while the wristwatch on his left hand completed the look. Unable to contain his excitement, Jungkook rushed closer to Tae. Placing his soft hands on Tae's chest, he gazed up with pure admiration and said, "You look even more handsome than I imagined. I can't believe how lucky I am to have you." Tae chuckled softly at Jungkook's words, his lips curving into a smirk. With a teasing glint in his eyes, he flicked Jungkook's forehead lightly and said, "Are you planning to spend the whole night complimenting me?" "Beautiful." Jungkook blushed deeply at Tae's response, his cheeks turning a lovely shade of red. Suddenly, he glanced at the wristwatch on Tae's hand and his eyes widened. "Oh my god. Only 10 minutes left until your birthday starts. Come on, we have to go to the rooftop," Jungkook exclaimed, grabbing Tae's hand and pulling him along eagerly. Tae let himself be led, a fond smile on his lips as he watched Jungkook's excitement. When they reached the rooftop, Tae froze, his eyes widening in amazement at the sight before him. The rooftop was beautifully decorated, illuminated by strings of fairy lights that sparkled like stars. Flowers and candles were arranged artistically, creating a magical atmosphere. Jungkook led Tae to the middle of the rooftop, where a two-tiered cake sat on a beautifully decorated table. Tae turned to Jungkook, his expression filled with surprise and admiration. "You did all of this? Since when have you been planning this surprise?" Tae asked, his voice soft but filled with awe. Jungkook's smile brightened even further, his bunny teeth peeking out as he replied, "I've been planning this since before I went to the USA. Do you like it?" Tae stared at him, his heart swelling with emotion. Taking Jungkook's soft hands in his, he said, "I don't like it, because I love it. You really surprised me. I don't even know how to express my feelings right now." Jungkook's bunny smile widened as he replied cheerfully, "Okay, now get ready to make a wish. Only a few seconds are left." Jungkook lit a 29-shaped candle on top of the cake, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Tae didn't take his eyes off Jungkook's bright, smiling face as he silently made his wish. "I wish I can spend the rest of my life with you happily, just like this. Have you made your wish?" "Blow the candle and cut the cake," Jungkook said happily, his voice filled with warmth and joy. Tae smiled at him, his heart full of love, and blew out the candle. Jungkook immediately began singing the birthday song, his voice sweet and cheerful. "Happy birthday to you, my dear Tae. I wish you a long, happy, and healthy life ahead. I'm glad you came into this world 29 years ago and made my life as colorful as a rainbow. Thank you for coming into this world and in my life." As Jungkook finished singing birthday song and wished Tae cut the cake, a warm smile on his face. He picked up a piece and fed it to Jungkook, saying in a deep, heartfelt voice, "Thanks to you too, my love. Thank you for making me feel so special." Jungkook blushed, his heart racing as he took a piece of cake and fed it to Tae in return. "You are special. You should know that. I love you, Tae." Tae's gaze softened, his eyes filled with pure adoration. He pulled Jungkook closer, their bodies pressing against each other. Leaning in, he whispered against Jungkook's lips, his voice low and intimate. "I love you more," which cannot be expressed in words. Before Jungkook could respond, Tae captured his lips in a deep, passionate kiss, pouring all of his emotions into it. The world around them seemed to fade away as they lost themselves in each other, the rooftop illuminated by the soft glow of lights and the warmth of their love. Jungkook, still flushed from Tae's deep confession, gripped the fabric of Ty's shirt tightly, pulling him even closer. His wide eyes gazed up at Ty's handsome face, now mere inches away from his own. Ty's strong arms wrapped securely around Jungkook's waist, holding him as if he were the most precious thing in the world. As their breaths mingled, Jungkook hesitated for a moment. His fingers moved hesitantly toward Ty's face, brushing lightly against the frames of his glasses. Ty, noticing Jungkook's intentions, let a smirk play on his lips. Without breaking eye contact, he smoothly removed the glasses himself and tossed it into the nearby table with a casual flick of his wrist. The soft clatter of the glasses hitting the surface broke the silence momentarily, making Jungkook gasp. He opened his mouth to say something, but before a single word could escape, Ty cupped Jungkook's face with both hands and pulled him into another kiss, this one deeper and more passionate than the last. Jungkook's words dissolved into the kiss, his knees weakening as Ty's lips claimed his with fervent intensity. Ty kissed him as if he were pouring out every ounce of longing he had felt during their time apart, every unspoken word, and every buried emotion. Jungkook melted into Ty's embrace, his body responding instinctively. His arms wrapped tightly around Ty's neck as he kissed him back with equal passion. The world around them seemed to blur and disappear, leaving only the two of them, lost in each other as if nothing else existed. The kiss grew deeper, more intense, as Ty's hands moved down to Jungkook's waist, pulling him even closer until there was no space left between them. Jungkook's fingers tangled in Ty's soft hair, gripping it gently as if afraid to let go. Ty tilted his head, deepening the kiss further, his lips moving against Jungkook's with a possessive urgency that left them both breathless. When they finally broke apart for air, their foreheads rested against each other, their breaths coming in soft pants. Ty's deep voice broke the silence, a mix of love and teasing lacing his tone. "Are you trying to drive me crazy, Cookie?" Ty whispered, his lips brushing against Jungkook's as he spoke. Jungkook blushed deeply, his chest rising and falling with rapid breaths. "You're the one who's driving me crazy, mister." Jungkook managed to reply, his voice trembling but filled with affection. Ty chuckled softly, the sound warm and comforting. He tightened his hold on Jungkook, his eyes shining with an emotion so intense it made Jungkook's heart skip a beat. "I've waited a whole month for this moment. For you," Ty said, his voice low and full of sincerity. Jungkook's heart swelled at Ty's words, and he couldn't help but smile. "I'm here now. And I'm not going anywhere," Jungkook promised, his voice soft but firm. Ty pulled him into a warm hug, his chin resting on Jungkook's shoulder. "That's all I need," Ty murmured, his voice filled with contentment. As he placed little soft kisses on Jungkook's neck, Jungkook cupped his face with his soft hands and pulled Ty into a deep, passionate kiss. Ty responded immediately. Both get lost into each other under the soft glow of the rooftop lights. The stars above seemed to shine brighter, as if celebrating their love. The end.